In the last video, I took my Brompton to the office. Since it's my last day in Vienna, I was determined to go for that ride after work no matter what. Now it's 6 PM and I was finally free for the evening. Yeah, the weather should be fine, it just will be really cold and freezing. So, with nothing holding me back, I set out for a long ride. So I planned a 69-kilometer loop to a village outside Vienna. And I packed light, bringing only minimal water. Well guys, so now I'm going north, out of the city. Hopefully the road would be well lit because I have not still installed my new LED lights for my Brompton that should have like 900 lumens. Alright, I've never been in this place, and without a bike I would never go here. There's a view over the city and there's the Danube river. At first, the ride went smoothly. I headed north to cross the river, but once I left the city, everything changed. So now we are getting into some pretty shady area. I actually don't know where I'm going, but definitely I'm going out of the city. It'll be interesting. Okay, no lights here. Man, maybe I should return back. It was pitch black and the cold started to creep in. That's when I realized I made some mistakes. Okay, also I have sold my Brompton original pump that came with my Brompton, so if I would get a puncture here, I would get stuck. And since this ride will be 70 kilometers long, anything can happen. I didn't have any camping gear, tools, or even a pump, and if something went wrong, I'd have to walk all the way back to Vienna. Man, it's pretty windy here. I'm riding in between two rivers. I can already feel that it's quite freezing. And we still have 60 kilometers to go in the pitch dark. Man, riding during the night is always nerve-wracking, but I think you will get used to it once you know the landscape. So far the road is well paved. I'm riding like 23 kilometers per hour. Not bad. Still seeing few cyclists. Would be definitely helpful to have a headlamp, something. Just additional source of light. This one definitely won't last me the whole night. I think it will dim after 3 hours of usage, but we will see. There's another cyclist. There should be a bridge. Is there a bridge? Okay, there's a bridge. Finally some light. Okay guys, it's pitch dark. I'm on some bridge here. There should be a viewpoint, but it's completely dark, so I don't see anything. Just another view over the river, and that's it. Oh yeah, and there should be this way on the hill. There's some church. Otherwise, it's it's completely dark. So far, I think there's a lot of places to stealth camp if you decide to stay along the river on your bike trip. But it's so hard to make a judgment if you don't see where you are turning. Like what now, right? I need to go to the left, but it's pitch dark. But at least there are cars, so you have some guidance. The first time civilization. Okay. Korneuburg. But I have to keep going. Here I see some kind of abandoned industrial area. It's very hard to say. I just realized that my seat post slides down on its own. I don't know why, so maybe I will have to invest into new clamps. So we got into the shared road, so I hope I won't meet too much of the trucks. There's a mall group facility on the left. Seen a lot of trucks going in.
After a few kilometers, I reached Korneuburg, a small village outside Vienna. Seeing streetlights and buildings was a huge relief after riding through the dark countryside. As I continued, the two cyclists joined me briefly. It was nice to have company, but they were too fast for me to keep up. Later on, I came across a blocked road with Achtung sign. I hesitated, but decided to continue anyway.
This is the first sign, man. First red flag. By the way, it's too late. We are going further. There seems to be some kind of a dam or something. So it's 7 p.m. We still have 49 kilometers to go. We will revisit this dam, but we first have to reach Tulln. This our turning point. Then we will head back to Vienna, which will be another 30 kilometers. Really excited what's laying ahead. So let's go. Okay, this is very nice lit. Oh, there's a drinking point. Nice. Very nice place to camp. Find some light. and we are getting back to the dark.
The darkness made everything feel scary, shadows played the tricks on my mind, and every sound seemed suspicious. So I'm like 30 kilometers in and I just stopped here because I saw some swans. I'm in the middle of nowhere, it's pitch black, but there are swans swimming, so it's really nice here. I believe this would be an amazing place during the daylight. To calm my nerves, I turned on some music. It helped my mind to chill out and focus on pedaling.
I got bored, so I turned on SoundCloud mix, and it's banging, man. It's much better to listen to the dope beats when cycling. This must be Tulln, guys. Getting close. Whew. I hope to find a place to eat there. Just have to cross this bridge and we will be in Tulln.
After 30 kilometers, I arrived in Tulln. My next goal was to explore the city center, hoping to find some cheap food, and more about that in the next episode.